Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now choose sounds and vibration, and over here you can click on the switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. But you can also click on vibrate, mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Then scroll down, tap on call vibration pattern and select one of the patterns by clicking on the chosen one. You can do the same to your notifications by clicking on notification vibration pattern and repeating the same actions. Then you need to click vibration intensity and adjust intensity of your touch vibrations by swiping left or right. Go back, choose System Sound Vibration Control, and over here tap on the switchers next to all of these features under vibration to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!